Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're an affiliate marketer, blogger, or just someone who's been trying to figure out how to make more money with less effort online, you're going to love today's video. I've recently come across something that could seriously change the game for content creators and affiliate marketers. It's called Quillaio, and it's an AI-powered tool that automatically generates product reviews for you, writes them, optimizes them, and post them with your affiliate links. Basically everything you need to make money from product reviews, but without the headache. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, stick around because I'm going to break it all down for you. Let's face it, if you've been in the affiliate marketing space for even a little while, you know how important product reviews are. They can drive traffic, help you rank on Google, and ultimately bring in affiliate commissions. But writing those reviews, especially when you're managing multiple products or niches, can be a real pain. Hours of research, writing, editing, and trying to make everything sound natural and SEO friendly. It's exhausting. Not to mention, if you don't have the budget to hire a full-time writer, you're pretty much stuck doing it all yourself. That's where Quillaio comes in. The way this tool works is pretty amazing. It's fully automated. All you have to do is provide a product URL, and Quillaio does the rest. Yes, you heard that correctly. Just drop a link to the product, and within minutes, you'll have a completely unique, human-sounding product review ready to go. And not just any review. This review is optimized for the most profitable affiliate marketing keywords, so it'll help your content rank on search engines and drive traffic. Here's how it works in 3 simple steps. First, you log into their web-based app and connect your website. It's literally a 2-second process. No techie stuff involved here. Once you're logged in, you move to step 2. You create a new campaign and provide the URL of the product you want to review. You'll also have the option to customize a few things, like the type of review you want to write. Whether it's a standard review, a comparison review, or even a how-to or for dummies style article. You can also choose the length of your review and specify the keywords you want to optimize for. It only takes a couple of minutes to set this up, and then, boom, you're ready for the magic. Step 3 is the best part. Once you hit the Create Post button, the AI goes to work. It writes, formats, and posts your review automatically, adding in your affiliate link so you don't have to do a thing. It's seriously that easy. The best part? The content is 100% unique and completely optimized for SEO. It's as if you hired a pro writer, but without the cost or the hassle. Now, I know what you're probably thinking. Is the content any good? Will it actually read like something a human wrote, or will it sound robotic? Well, after using Quillaio myself, I can tell you it's really impressive. The reviews it generates are not only unique and readable, but also incredibly well optimized. They're written in a natural, conversational style that would pass for human-written content any day. Honestly, it's hard to tell the difference between this AI-generated content and what a professional writer would produce. It's fast, accurate, and best of all, it saves you hours of work. One of the coolest things about Quillaio is that it works with pretty much any affiliate program. Whether you're promoting products from Amazon, ClickBank, Warrior Plus, or any other affiliate network, all you need is the product URL, and Quillaio will take care of the rest. It can handle products in any niche, fitness, tech, beauty, you name it. So whether you're building a niche site or scaling up an existing one, Quillaio has you covered. And let's talk about scalability for a second. If you're an affiliate marketer, you know that scaling your business is key. The problem is, it's tough to scale when creating content manually takes so much time. Quillaio completely changes that. With this tool, you can automate your entire product review process and publish hundreds of reviews without burning out. It's like having an army of writers working for you, only it's all AI-driven, faster, and more cost-effective than hiring freelancers. Another huge benefit is that you don't have to be an SEO expert to use Quillaio. The AI handles the optimization for you. It ensures that your reviews are written with the most profitable keywords, so you get better rankings on Google and more traffic to your affiliate offers. If you've struggled with SEO or just don't have the time to learn all the ins and outs, this tool will make your life a lot easier. Of course, I know there's always that question in the back of your mind, is this really worth it? Well, if you're serious about growing your affiliate marketing business and you're tired of writing endless reviews by hand, then Quillaio is definitely worth checking out. They're offering a special pre-launch discount right now, and the tool is still in its early stages, which means it's only going to get better from here. To wrap it up, Quillaio is a game changer for affiliate marketers. It takes something as time-consuming as writing product reviews and automates the whole process, saving you time, money, and a whole lot of stress. If you want to take your affiliate marketing business to the next level, definitely give Quillaio a try. I'll leave a link to their site below so you can learn more and grab that pre-launch discount. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you've used AI tools before, or if you're thinking of trying Quillaio. I'll see you in the next video.